Hey guys, this is Janet, Strange RV Tours, and we're in South Carolina. Let me tell you about this park. It's been raining for 2.5 days, but it's a nice park. Let me tell you more. It's been raining so much, and we go around. They're really working hard on this, but there's no drainage out here. See how that is? But I mean, what are you gonna do? But coming down here, people are coming and going constantly here. I don't know if the snowbirds are coming up from Florida or what, but see, there's the laundry and showers, which showers are great. I mean, they're older, they're clean. Let's see, it's probably locked. I would think so. 3 foot, 5 foot, regular pool. I'm sure it's cold. Yeah, it's cold. It's not freezing. Oh, look at this. Wait. Watch out for alligators. They come up when they smell pee. So they're saying. You are not allowed to do anything that begins with, "Hey y'all, watch this." That's cute. That is cute. It's a nice little pool. I guess. But okay. Not so bad on this side. I mean, you can tell people have been here for a while. There's some dumpsters. Oh, I didn't know they had dumpsters. I was looking. 2 dump stations. Because we're gonna have to do a dump because we paid $125 4 nights here. No sewer. Got water and electric. But I do a lot of cooking. So, you know, I'm trying to be real careful how I do, how many dishes, that kind of thing. Yeah. Okay, hold on. Let me show you real quick. I'm gonna go ahead and just step out and show you real quick how high the water is over here. I've got my rubber boots on because I know it's pretty bad. See? Okay, I got my boots on. But look. Look at that. I mean, that's a lot of water. Yeah, it was raining and stuff, but there's no drainage here. Just where we're at. South Carolina is like, oh my gosh. And it stopped raining last night. This is pretty deep. Looks like they're working on it. I mean, we're over on the other side over here. it's not gonna rain, go ahead and stay here. I mean, depends on what you got, what kind of equipment and stuff. But wow, see. All right, guys. All right, we're in South Carolina. It's been rainy, and wet. But if you like the video, hit like, subscribe if you would, hit the little bell, and then share if you could, please. But Patreon, thanks for you guys. You're helping us. Thank you so much. If you guys want to join too, be awesome. Thank you.